Hey everybody, Nick Rudder from McKee's 37. I want to show you one of my favorite tools when detailing my car. And that's the McKee's 37 detail brush. This brush is about 9.5 inches long. It has a non-slip wooden handle with a screw hole so you can hang it on a wall. It has this plastic shroud, so when you're cleaning lug nuts, it's not going to scratch your wheel. And then it has these 2-inch long, really soft bristles that are flagged at the tip. That way you can use them or use the brush with confidence on painted surfaces without any fear of instilling scratches. So what I do is after I wash the entire vehicle using a traditional wash mitt, I'll use my detail brush to clean all the nooks and crannies that the regular wash mitt simply is not going to reach, like the emblem on my fender, the heat extractor on my hood. This is probably my favorite application because this gets really dirty from the way air flows over the car, and it's important that you remove dirt off all surfaces, but especially on vinyl wraps, because it can cause damage in the long run. So I can use this brush to clean the heat extractor of all the dirt and grime where the wash mitt is not going to reach. And then another great application is for the grill. You can get in there and clean the grill of your vehicle, where again a wash brush or a wash mitt, excuse me, is simply not going to reach the front lip on my Camaro. And then of course this works great for the inside too, for leather cleaning or for cleaning your vents, other nooks and crannies. Dunk it often. You want lots of lubrication on here. Your gas cap, get in there, get it clean. This brush will not scratch. Otherwise, I would not be using it on my personal vehicle. And the taillights on my Camaro, they're actually a really neat 3-dimensional design. So they have like a built-in shelf. Gets in there, cleans it really well. The emblem on the back. Because over time, dirt really builds up in the cracks and crevices. And when you notice it, it's a real eyesore. That's why you want to stay on top of it and use the McKee's 37 detail brush. Then in the back, the reflector area is notorious on most vehicles for picking up dirt and grime. It gets nestled in there. It can cause damage over time. The McKee's 37 detail brush takes care of that. Rear bumper gets really dirty. So you get the point. That's the McKee's 37 detail brush. Get one for the outside and one for the inside. I'm Nick Rudder for McKee's 37.